Welcome to Veterans Healthcare and Avicenna Medical Centre, your trusted healthcare partner situated conveniently near you. For our esteemed veterans, the CMH Help Desk stands as a beacon of convenience, simplifying procedures for managing appointments, medicines, ECG, and lab tests. Our dedicated medical team takes every step to ensure your comfort during each visit. With duty doctors available from 8:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., we provide the flexibility to accommodate your schedule seamlessly. From routine health checks to a spectrum of treatments, our adept medical professionals are here to extend the highest quality care. Our team of skilled dentists ensures that you and your family receive top-notch dental care right in your neighborhood. Our experienced dental professionals are dedicated to creating healthier, happier smiles. Welcome to our Wellness Center, your destination for a holistic approach to well-being. Our wellness experts guide you towards better health, focusing on nutrition, flexibility, and physical rehabilitation. We are proud to offer home services for a range of essential healthcare needs, including blood pressure monitoring, blood sugar testing, administering injections, and providing drip facility. At Avicenna Medical Centre, we understand the importance of women's health, which is why our gynecologist is available on alternate days to provide specialized care and support. Rest assured, your well-being holds paramount importance. Our center pharmacy stands ready with a diverse stock of essential healthcare products, offering the convenience of on-site access. For severely ill HMS patients, we offer the provision of medicines at your doorstep, ensuring that you can access the medications you need without leaving the comfort of your home, and during those critical moments, you can place your trust in our ambulance services for the secure evacuation of seriously ill patients. At Avicenna Medical Centre, we hold the belief that the gift of good health is immeasurable. To delve deeper into our offerings or secure an appointment, kindly reach out via the provided contact details.